Hey everyone, so this is our new piston pump. Yeah, it's not your standard piston pump, but it has a lot of great features that you will throw away your piston pump and get one of these. So basically, it utilizes a mixing bowl and a piston pump. What we're going to do is dive in here. This pump is for super high viscosity fluids, such as today we're going to demonstrate it with peanut butter, but it's used for body butters or really high viscosity lotions, or anything you really can't heat up, but you still want to pump it. So to dive in, we're going to first start with our mixing bowl. So this mixing bowl here comes in all sorts of different sizes for you. It'll also come with a butterfly valve, kind of like this, with a smaller handle. We could also attach a sight glass to it. So nozzle options. Just like all our equipment, tons of options. So we have our straight option. We have a 90-degree nozzle option. And then we're going to have an automatic Z-axis option, which will basically move the nozzle down to the bottom of your jar and slowly go up as it's filling to reduce air, if that's something you want. So what we're going to do is kind of get started. We do have some peanut butter in here. You can see it right there. It's just a little bit in there, but it's good for demonstration. So when you're done mixing your product and everything's ready to go, what you would do is just throw your mixing bowl into our pump. You'll put it on the two latches at the bottom and then just swing it forward and it's going to lock in. So now from here we're ready to go. To talk about controls here a little bit, everything will be digitally controlled. So you will be able to digitally control the volume you're going to fill into your jars, how fast you're going to fill into your jars. One great thing about this is we are going to integrate a conveyor system to it because it is a bigger bottle. Conveyor systems are going to work real well with this thing, especially with the automatic Z-axis. And one real quick thing before we start it, we are going to talk about cleaning. So the big thing we went with this to clean this system, all you need to clean is your mixing tank, which is normal in any circumstance. This wing nut here, your nozzle, and the piston cylinder here. So you don't need any tools to do it. To take this off, you'll just rotate it lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and you're ready to rock. So yeah, no tools needed, no internal parts. Everything can be sanitized, everything stainless steel and food grade. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and get started here and see how quick it can fill peanut butter. Right now we kind of have everything on kind of manual controls. I do have a foot pedal right now that's going to control how much peanut butter I put in here. I'm just going to let it run so people could see how fast it's going to fill. And it's going to go down here. It might take it a second because our peanut butter is only that low. You could hear right now there is kind of air going out of our cylinder. What that is also kind of self-priming the pump, so a bunch of air isn't going to come out of here. You might have a little bit of air at the start of your fills and a little air once it gets to the bottom. But let's go ahead and see this thing run. And it's gonna be right about, yep, starting to go. There we go, you can hear some more air coming. And now the peanut butter's coming out. So you can see how quick it can fill peanut butter. Peanut butter is a super hard fluid to fill here. Let me hit better on my foot pedal. You can see there is an automatic stop if it does get a little bit too much pressure built up. And I can actually slow it down a little bit so it's more consistent. Show you that kind of control. There's a nice smooth flow. That's probably how I would run this peanut butter here. Now you can see it is snaking. That's why we are going to add the automatic Z-axis. That way it will fill from the bottom up. That's kind of all our peanut butter. I just kind of wanted to do a quick teaser of our new pump. And we will start adapting this to a lot of conveyor belts or our stationary filler. Thanks and have a great day.